in Shreveport. I have 3 sisters, and we all grew up here. We all went to First Baptist Church School through 8th grade, and then we all 4 also went to Byrd High School. And after Byrd High School, I went to LSU, where I did my undergraduate studies, and I majored in zoology. Dr. Lang was my dentist growing up, and so I always had great experience. It was the same office, even when I returned here about 9 years ago. So a lot of the same employees were here, some of the same staff. It was, so it was kind of fun to come back and work here. Going into dental school, I always thought I wanted to do either pediatrics or possibly orthodontics, but the main reason was because I associate both those with, children and younger patients. So, and I knew pretty quickly once I got there that pediatrics is what I wanted to do. Being a pediatric dentist, you can see kids from the time they're, 2 years old till they graduate, high school. And so you really get to, feel like you kind of watch them grow up, and you get to see how they change, and that's the most rewarding part. Well, we try to make it very kid-friendly, and we really stress with our staff. We want our staff to be very comfortable with the kids, and we want our staff to also have that relationship. So every time a patient comes in, they see familiar faces, and they're called by name, and that's very important. It's important for kids to also see the other kids interacting, and that's why we have this kind of open bay environment that we have here. We want to treat everyone else's children like they're our own. If I have any question about if I'm going to do something or not, I say, what would I do for Thomas, my little boy? How would I handle that situation? And I really think we all share that philosophy. It's easy to tell parents what to do, but unless you have kids, sometimes it's hard to realize that. So I do think having children has really made me more patient, more practical. I'm a little more realistic when I know, trying to tell you to floss your 2-year-old's teeth, that it's very difficult to do. My favorite color is blue. I'd have to say my favorite cartoon was probably Scooby-Doo. Seafood. I love shrimp, but any seafood I could eat that all day long.